everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your drafts on Instagram. Well, let's get started right away. When you open Instagram and click on the plus sign, you see your saved photos. If you don't see them, you might need to select post first. To delete these photos, you click on manage and then change settings. Oh, by the way, I'm using an iPhone, but I think the settings work similarly on most devices. When you click on change settings, your phone will navigate to the Instagram setting page on the settings of your phone. Then you click on the arrow next to photos, and in my case it also says limited access. I think that's also by you. And then you see that you're given limited access to certain photos. So you click then on edit selected photos and then show selected. You will see now the number of photos you saved in your drafts. And in my case is that 7. Then you click on deselect all and all your photos will be removed from the Instagram app. You need to know they will remain in your phone photo gallery, so they are not deleted in your photo gallery. You can also keep some photos saved by swiping them and giving them a blue check mark, so then they stay in your saved folder on Instagram. As you can see, when I go back to Instagram, you see various black images with a cloud icon. If you click on the cross icon and then click on the plus sign again and select posts, you will see now that all the photos are gone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you.